They have donuts in here. Yeah. They smell good. Fresh. Check it out. Is that the kind you like here? What's that? Bean jam. Oh, there you go, the churro.
Bags.
Huh?
They don't have bags. Just put it in the tree.
Try one of these cheese naans. Could you throw that on there?
You want that?
Huh?
You want that?
Yes, please. Hopefully it's sweet. And maybe one of these apple things. Or maybe that's enough. I shouldn't overdo it. They have curry. A curry donut? I don't know. Okay, I'll just try it just so I said. I'll try it. It's because I really enjoyed my lunch. Had a vegetarian curry with rice.
Coca-Cola. Let me get a Coke.
Okay.
Or Minute Maid apple.
Huh?
Minute Maid apple.
Whatever you want.
Or your throat to go. Minute Maid apple.
Oh, we have one of these. Name apple?
Yeah.
And do you need a bag?
Yes.
And one apple?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. Yeah. Ready to go to the bus there?
Huh?
Go to the bus?
Yeah.
Yeah, right close. Huh? Is that all? Hold on. Let me see what time it is. It's only 11:30?
It's quarter to 12.
Yeah, let's go. What do you think? Or do you want to eat it here?
No.
I don't like it though, risk it. Huh? Okay. You can't throw it out instead of carry it around. Can't find the best place to bring the trash is back to the people who sold you the stuff. They just
Yeah.
take it. I didn't go to the bathroom yet. Yours are? They hadn't fed you enough? Is that the one you couldn't get it buttoned there? Maybe ask the store for a knife. They probably have one right where they're cooking. I wanted to go to the bathroom, but I don't really feel it right now that much. I don't know. I might run back there to see the your dad. Okay. Did you buy anything?
Yes. I bought Maya the last month.
Oh, okay. You want to push?
Yeah. Yeah, you're gonna have to hold on there.
Okay.
It's harder to climb up.
Ooh, it's an uphill battle here.
This your step.
That's it?
Goodbye, and then those kids. I'll leave him back there.
What?
This right here. I'll leave yours back there.
Oh,
It's little.
look what I got. Is that yours?
Oh, yeah. Timmy, why is this in their seat?
It probably slid forward.
Oh, not the slid.
Yeah.
When he was driving.
Thank you.
Sorry about that.
No problem.
It was here when I left. Good thing it's stuck in you. Yeah.
Oops, sorry.